Hi community. Have you ever thought about why you do the things that you do? Why you choose the choices that you choose? So there are two reasons that we would do anything. The first thing is the promise of pleasure, so we would do things because it pleases us or it feels good. Or the second thing is the fear of pain. So that's the only two reasons why we would do anything. And today we're going to talk a little bit about that fear of pain and how we can turn that pain into good pressure. So do you remember the episode of Friends where Rachel is working at the coffee shop and Joey convinces her to quit? Joey and Chandler, I believe both of them, convince her to quit. And the reason for that is that she needed that pressure, that fear factor to go and get the job that she really, really wanted to do in her life. She wanted to get into fashion. But that job at the coffee shop was holding her back because she was smooth sailing. She was going about her day-to-day life. She didn't really enjoy it very much. She wasn't good at it. Obviously, it's a sitcom. There was a lot of drama around that. But the point is actually still good, is that she wasn't doing what she really wanted to do because she was kind of coasting, and she wasn't really that good at it. But because she had that job, she wouldn't go out and get that dream job that she wanted to in fashion. It's the same thing with us and our money. We can have that fear of money. We can have that fear of, what if I don't make enough? What if I fail? All of these what ifs, and that fear of pain will cause us to just panic and we don't make any good decisions. So what are you going to do about your life? What are you going to do about your financial situation to get past that fear? Let's turn that fear from the destructive pattern that it could be, because fear can completely destroy you, or we can turn that fear into a healthy pressure. That healthy pressure of, okay, there's a deadline coming up and I need to do this, this, and this in order to achieve that goal. And so let's do that with our money. So in today's video, that's what I wanted to focus on, was turning that fear of pain into that good, healthy, and right pressure so that we can achieve those goals. So what is that thing that you want? What is the thing that you want to do? What is the thing that you want to buy? What is that dream that you have for your money? And now it could be your business, like you want to start a business, you want to grow a business, or it could just be something that you want to do, going on vacation, getting new clothes, buying that house, upgrading a car, whatever it might be. But let's go through that and think through what is it that we really want and how are we going to turn that fear into that good pressure, and then let's go get it.